Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to prepare brown sugar winter melon tea. This is a very refreshing drink to have, especially in our hot and humid weather. Unlike making winter melon soup, we're not just going to throw the pieces of melon into a pot with water and boil it up. Today, we're going to be preparing a concentrate from the winter melon and sugar mixture. What's interesting about preparing the concentrate is that we will not be adding any liquid when cooking up the winter melon and sugar mixture. We are using 1.5 kg of the winter melon all cut up, including the skin and the seeds, and then we're going to cover that with the brown sugar. That's 250 grams of the brown sugar, which we are going to mix well with the winter melon cubes. This is the most interesting part of the process. We're going to let the mixture sit for about an hour, and you will see moisture coming out from the melon. That's when it's time to cook the mixture over very, very low heat. You're going to add 100 grams of rock sugar and slowly let the mixture simmer. This is when having a non-stick pot comes in useful, because it's easy for the mixture to burn if you don't watch it, and it's important to stir it often to prevent it from burning. You just have to be very patient and let the mixture cook itself. Now, much as you think it's necessary, do not, I repeat, do not add any further liquid into the mixture when it's cooking. You're going to get a messy, pulpy mixture at the end of the cooking time. Let it cool down to room temperature before you extract the concentrate. To extract the concentrate, you're going to put some of that pulp into a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth and squeeze it. I find that squeezing it by hand is one of the most efficient ways to get the concentrate out of the pulp. After you're done squeezing, don't discard the pulp. Mash it further with the back of a ladle and using a sieve. You want to make sure you get as much of that goodness out of the winter melon pulp as possible. And you should get about 250 ml of the concentrate. For each glass of winter melon tea, use about 50 ml of the concentrate to 250 ml of water. Adjust the amount of concentrate and water according to your own preference. You can drink it chilled or you can drink it warm. It's very much up to you how you like it. And you can also add a garnish of your choice. Maybe a sprig of mint leaves, because I happen to have it in my garden, or use a slice of lemon, or drink it as it is. And you can see for yourself the difference between a home-brewed brown sugar winter melon tea and the canned commercial version. Happy cooking!